In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks from Walmart or how to get checks from Walmart. To get started, open your web browser and head to the Walmart Checks website. This is the place where Walmart lets you browse and order printed checks online. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is decide whether you want personal checks or business checks. Choose the option that fits your needs and then take a little time to look through the available styles. Walmart typically offers a variety of designs, including standard checks, high security options, and more decorative or designer styles. After that, select the specific check design you want. As you make your selection, you'll also be able to choose the format that works best for you. For example, you may see options like single checks, duplicate checks, or high security checks. You can also choose how many checks you want to order. So think about how often you write checks and pick a quantity that makes sense. Next, enter your bank information. This usually includes your bank routing number, your checking account number, and the starting check number you want printed on the order. It's very important to enter this information carefully and make sure it matches your bank records exactly, since even a small mistake can cause problems or delays. Once that's done, fill in the personal information you want printed on the checks. This can include your name and mailing address, and in some cases, optional details like a phone number or email address. You may also be asked to provide your bank's name. Be thoughtful here, especially with optional information, since whatever you include may appear on the checks. From there, customize your checks if you'd like. Depending on the design, you may be able to choose things like the font style, add a monogram, include a logo or graphic, or select accessories such as address labels or a checkbook cover. Before moving on, preview the design carefully so you can catch any formatting issues or spelling mistakes. Then review your order closely. Double check your banking information, printed details, and selected options. This is one of the most important parts of the process because incorrect information can delay processing. After reviewing everything, enter your shipping information, choose your preferred shipping method, and provide your payment details to complete the purchase. Finally, click Place Order or Submit Order to finalize everything. After that, you should receive an order confirmation. In many cases, check orders arrive in about 12 business days, and expedited shipping may also be available if you need them sooner.